What's up everyone, I am Manav and you are watching Prior Self, and this is what we do. We prioritize our future self. We discuss about tips and tricks that help us enhance our productivity and achieve our peak performance. So first of all, let me tell you the motivation of creating this video. Few days back, I was watching interview of one of the most productive person on the earth, Elon Musk. And the reason why people think that he has some kind of superpowers is just because he can pull 100 hours of work per week. But how? I hope you all know Elon Musk because we are going to break down his daily routine. Elon Musk owns company like Tesla, SpaceX, The Boring Company, OpenAI, Neuralink. And just because of this, he has to supervise and manage so many things at a time. How does he do that? How does he manage to make so hectic task look so easy? Well, all of this comes down to creating a proper routine, and we are going to discuss that routine in this video. So stay tuned, grab your notepad because we are already started. First of all, before we start this video, make sure you comment down your favorite productivity tip that helps you manage your time and avoid procrastination. So without further ado, let's start. Elon Musk's day starts at 7 am, and for those who are saying that what's new in this, let me tell you, he sleeps at 1 am, sleeps for almost 6 hours, and before he goes to bed, he knows what he has to do after he wakes up. Basically, he knows his purpose. So after he wakes up, he has complete idea on what thing he has to focus. First thing that Elon Musk does in his day is that he goes through all the critical emails. Now I'm not talking about scrolling through social media, I'm talking about checking important mails. That's the first thing he does in the morning. And now because he has so many projects to manage, so many tasks to supervise, he exactly has to prioritize what he has to do, what he has not to do, what to do first and what to do last. Basically, he prioritizes each and every task. And to be honest, this is really simple. You just need 5 minutes to think about it and you will know what to do first and what to do last. This thing is completely easy. You just need to spend 5 minutes on figuring out what to do first and what to do last. And through these 5 minutes, you can actually plan your whole day. You can create time blocks and specify specific time limits for each and every task. According to one of his interview, he says that 80% of the time he does what he regularly does, and he also says that 20% of the leftover time that he also calls free time, he does normal people things like taking care of his health, watching movies, working out, going out on parties, playing with his kids. He does these normal things as well. So you see, he's not any different person, he just does what he does. One of the most important thing that you should learn from his routine is that when he is working on something, he is working on something. That means that he has complete focus and he has complete knowledge on what he is doing. I already told you, when he wakes up, he knows his purpose, and while he is working, he still knows his purpose. And to be honest, that makes his work much easier for him, and that will also help you as well. So you should keep in mind that once you are working on something, don't try to get distracted. And if you are getting distracted, please watch this video. That is a must watch video for that particular category. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a like and let me know if you like the video. Make sure you comment down your favorite part of the video. If you know any person who is a fan of Elon Musk, make sure you share this video to them as well. Well, that's it from me today. I hope you really enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Peace out.